My name is Fatma Rajada, Mother Assistant to Dr. Bukhari, the international pain healer who heals and cures all types of body pain in just 5 minutes with the words of Allah, that is Allah Akbar, and through the spiritual powers he inherited from his forefathers. Apart from Dr. being an expert in healing pain, he is also a researcher who has been researching for over 22 years, and his research was based on human organs and organics. And during the research he developed a plant called fervent, and that fervent was extracted to make some leaves out of it. So we have so many syrups in the clinic. We have so many syrups in the clinic. One of our medicine is called the M-Orga oral liquid. This M-Orga oral liquid is a liquid that is used to control diabetes. It controls bile, it controls constipation, it controls hypertension, gastric, and so on. It's a medicine which controls 7 to 8 different types of sickness in human body. And also we also have we also have an eye drop. The eye drop also, it's also very effective. It's for people who are blind, and also we also have eye leaf and so on. So another invention of Dr. Bukhari, it's called the MP leaf. This MP leaf is a muscle bandage which works by relaxing the muscles to allow more blood to enter the affected area in order to heal the pain. And again, we also have another one we call the M. orga powder. This M. orga powder is a powder that is used for toothache, and also like when your tooth is paining, there is no need for you to visit any dentist. There is no need for you to steal your teeth or to even remove your teeth. With the medicine, you are good to go. And we also have it. We also have the drop out, which we use for pain healing. It's used to heal pain within 20 to 30 minutes, even though that we know the doctor is an expert in healing pain, but this drop out was based on his research. And again, we also have other medicine that's for impotence and infertility, like for people who cannot conceive, like people who have difficulties in giving birth, and also men who cannot perform their marital duties as they supposed to. Like if you need any of our treatment, or if you need any of our medicines, you can come to our clinic. We are located at Senegambia, opposite EcoBank, just near Smile Lodge. Or you call us on this number 207-8568, 207-8568, 207-8568. So I will allow Fat also to explain some things about the medicines and about treatment in the clinic.
asalaamaaleykum so mbokki Gambien yi man la Fatou Touré si marketing département bi laa nekkoon waaye fan yi ñu ngi ñëw si YouTube bi pour wax ak yéen yi fi docteur Bukhari nag fajkat bu jógee Pakistan moom xob la day use pour faj ba pare bi docteur Bukhari dafa yaaga jànga yi fi faj bii nii toog tamit defar ay garab yoo xam ne xob lañ ko defaree amul benn chemical mu ngi am garab boo xam ne dafa faj diabète dafa faj high blood muy tension dafa faj gastrique dafa faj ulcer dafa faj constipation pile ak bëñ bu métti bët yu métti yëpp du dee faj bët bu métti waaye dafa faj constipation pile high blood diabète ak ulcer mu ngi am lii tamit bii pour métit la bii fépp foo xam ne mu ngi laa métti soo ko fa defee rek jarul nga koo rob da nga ko faa drop rek nga bàyyi ko foofu noonu su soobee yàlla yow si sa boppa di nga xam ne comme garab laa am bu baax boo xam ne moom laa def nii suma yaram bi bii lañ lay use pour defar leen pour defar nit yoo xam ne ñu ngi am métit bu nekk $100 la dafa jël rek tay ko foofu noonu siil ko foofu noonu bii nii amul benn chemical tamit comme nu ma leen ko waxee moom xob rek la dee liggéey ñu ngi am garabu bët bu métti tamit ñu ngi am xob pour bët bu métti ñu ngi am bii tamit pour si biir bët bi foofu nga koo def xob bi moom dafa nekk pour nit yoo xam ne dañ gumbo xob bi tamit xob kese la amul benn chemical ñu ngi am bu bëñ bu métti tamit lii bëñ su laa métti jarul nga koo génnee jarul nga koo dem fata danga koo jël rek lokko si biir sa biir bëñ bi ba pare bii tam natural la 100% natural la amul benn chemical ñu ngi Sénégambia opposite Ecobank su képp ku bugg a ñëw si clinique bi mun ngaa call si 207-8568 207-8568
Okay, albela wo moy Fatou Touré ba fakani surwa kawala so ndafena minani manika kawala na explain like doctor nying aka jara ro rake ala jara ro nying aka bala be di mo la jara like ni mo moy body pain so aka wala jara within 5 minutes so ni atara mo mo palo ke demi dawda ke demi ena nan doctor Bukhari ya be jara le anu fanan aka ala to la use ta jara ro ana spiritual power means to aka wala muta a spiritual power min soto aka jaralo kani wala anin fanan aka alat wala use min kita Allahu akbar ri mini yalla ko inara na clinic ko tole am wolbe ba is a testify no like comme doctor kan jaralo ka nyame aka alat wala use so nim bato ko fanan to doctor nata kam molati mi yalla ko aka de kiskisralati ala kiskisro kono like over 22 years aba kiskisiro wala sanyi mwani fula aba kiskisiro la kalo kiskisiro kono ala lota fanna mina wala mata bani ngobala jato banta ni kono to bi ala kiskisiro fana kono anata yiro je mi am ko wata la develop nyame fana mbobe ka chala yanne doctor yiro ni develop nyame be o yiro ni mam fiya fon naturally amanke ko ata wulo kono le ay buri jambo jija kati yiro ni afon le yiri ju saba muda nyame kabra ya nyame I did grafting procedure use comme momo yalla ke ba agriculture you are into any farming system ibal know what does that grafting procedure mean so kabra yo procedure ni use hero ni nata develop kabi hero ni nata develop anata ay leaf for extract from the plant anata ay boro dulada comme alka nyame na buri jamal la soro na clinic oto comme be yalla ko docteur mo multi mi yalla wata ka pain la heal honey without boro but another boro for nanda mi yalla ko ika sasa cotton dul for njara ma dingo balu kon sasa mi bugo sasal min bugo ko nyimboro ataka sasal la jara min bugo high blood min bugo diabetes min bugo constipation wala kono jati min bugo pile anim fana gastric anim fana ngani atara momo fani ano ko ka sabaro kele wala ka sisa la saba o ka cigarette wala saba like ni nyimboro ta akela system mo bela clean so ni atara momo yalla ko high blood la soto momo yalla ko diabetes la soto momo yalla koy diabetes la soto wala high blood la soto ala make sure by all means alena na clinic ko alena nyimboro sang nyimboro bi jele bar niata fa nang boro ba nyim boro nyimba momo bul suwo kono wala kete nyi m orga ora liquid na momo bul suwo kono imu diabetes patient nati wala imu high blood patient nati inyenda ga make sure irregular on check-in irregular on check-in na nyame wala ko niata testal be bul suwo kono like ibe check-in kala nyame so manda jeni ko boro nyiming yera blood test wala yera sugar test test ya result o landi sudo bana ni kanela ni ya boro ni ta fay pareta sudo kanela ya testing ka fat ka denke yene ye results flong te ya compare ya jibi fa ba sele kan bang fa ba ji kan bo ni ya man test fana so so kono aman stress aman jeri ta everyday lopan kata check in na isa ke no weekly or even every 5 days ikata ke la sugar test ke la sugar test wala la pressure test because ofana kuma ya tale aku mayata jele comme ni sasa be balu kono sakatma sasa min buko preso wala sasa min buko sukuru kuramo nyata be balu kono e nyende ka regular on check in lala isaje yela sasa tembo jibi faka selele wala faka jile katu high blood atamu fennate mi yalla ko natara fa seleta e ka jele e ka boyle anu ni boyta tending like most of the time aka stroke like wala e bulo ni singo ka fa wala e da ka mute bu ka diamuno so musa sasa mi yalla ko mo mana ke mo mana ka tray situation ko no nana mo ka sa le fon kan ni e fon fa dam makoy pour e ka check in kay yela système mo jiba ma nyame anin do morol min yan ko be le sien la wala be le sukul sien la ni o be control e be la sa ñu control la nule so ni mboto woto nata constipation o min kata kono jati fana naka momo fana batandi ara tra ali nyimboro soto ni atra momo fana nyimboro soto be bulo kono isa make sure ila do mor fengol yo fana long do morol min buko tabala bal do morol min buko forñol do morol min ne forñoma yala wol be kuliyata le like abe batandi le ni adomo comme ni tara kamuto ibo ko liya ko soto le jere oto also fata do morol be la ferek ali al nya ateli nyimboro jiola mi yalla ko ni amin within 20-30 minutes ibajale le ikono ko ne fo ba filale comme ibita kamuto le andi to ko liya ko soto le jere so ni moto constipation oto nata pile to ni ko pile like ni ko pile e ko constipation e bu ko la bakli fagli wala bu ko do ko ni ko to idal ka to nyola bala every time so ni mi o mo yela constipation o control yela ko na ja control ni e pile soto e ba control la nol because pile fanang min ka cause wala nyi do mar kuliyar ngolti ani nyi hard food so mi yana ko because ni o do mo ni dara ka mo de ko liya ko soto je ani ni ko liya ko soto like e ka jela ni be fon force ka recto mo nyi ka finde ni recto mo nyi finde wala ka pile dol bi je nak wala ka soto le turu jeans turu le jeans oli ka soto wolto bari aka pile si va be jara so ala make sure momo many mboro soto e bulo kono ena yenyi mboro sana no tanu abijele an ni fanan ni mbota pile to aka gastric fanan jara gastric fanam fenate mi yalla ko aka jarale like niya soro kono di moñi aka bela control but gastric fanan iba control la ñamen fanan ila diet fanan control ye domor kanul bula yelim na kumul bula ani domorul mi gaso soto ibo fatalol be la le ene la gastric control no long sol fanan akol be control aka be kule respiratory system ni min ka sabaro fanan ke aka tine la ke siso kono be ku hani min yalno ko isisol ka suki wala ni tamata do ni ke ni jiyo ni ka fast ako be mutala be control so ni moto woto nana ñim bori do to min soto docteur Bukhari boro la ñim fananti e ka fani ne MP leave kana fa la ñamata mu kul kono di molti ni kul kono di mo soto rek am kul kono di mi aka bi re jaar comme like ni ata ya siddi mo soto wala ya ko di mo soto kara di mo am ye sa soto mi yan ko i choko lambang wala balu lambang i bala di mo lo kul kono di mo lo ñim boro ka bi re jaar hani ata la blood wala stock in your vein aka tina la ele vein tool opun ele vein tool opun yelo ñing ka tama normal ka ñing ka tama ñamen andum fanan ni kono jafanan soto yali bata ko ngobala like within 20 minutes ikajele boro nying effective tali kata ka moto la without any difficulties so ni atra momo lafta nyim boro la alena na clinic auto nyim boro it's a very effective medicine mi yalla ko am chemical lo soto am side effects soto am fen soto so ni mbota woto na bori do fananto e ka famille dropat in dropat fanan atabanda boro ko na mi yalla ko aka pain la heal comme be yalno ko docteur Multi mi yalno ko is expert in healing pain atala sasa atala specialized in pain le so comme momo fane yalno ko e body pain soto isina no na clinic to na pain le soto je mi yalno ko within 30 minutes ikajele ile pain be kata so ata based on research le anata fanang man chemical soto is a natural leaf base anu fana nimboto je na bori do fana soto e ka fami em orga poda ni em orga poda tam poda mi yano ko pour nyindi molam ni mo nyingo kedimi ibakele nyingolo kono like iba nyinkele nyingolo bala within 20 to 30 minutes iba jere nyindi mo buta ni la nyindi mo buta da manjere ta dentisia amanjere te nyingo butu amanjere te nyingo sil oto nyimboro alnana ni mo yano ko nyindi mo ke batandile nimboto je na eye drop fana soto le ani eye leaf mi yano pour nyalam it's a very effective one pour hanama dingo nya like I live nying most of the time ni mom bin fingita ngaka wole han ya tare man fingi fon I live isa ke no je I drop fan the same thing afana ko fashion kino ngolake ni nyama sene aka jarale so ni momo yo be soto ni momo yo problem si fal soto alla na clinic to na bori do fana so de ka fam ya hair spray nying atomo spray de mi yano ko aka chukuto la ko ni mu ko no karasul anin so ko yayul anu ni ya tare balo fana jaatu ko man kende ya chukuto be balul bala nying fitel ka findi balo bala ani nying femme son akabela clair moreover air spray nying atamu antifungal lati mu yano ko aka virus wala fight aka bacteria la kali balo kono because virus um fenati mi yano ko femme sending on la mi yano ko nyabu kaje damato ma microscope ta so to be at the safer side we all need to come to our clinic to buy the medicines we have na medicine always on the clinic ko to lay mo lafta isina na clinic ko Dr. Bukhari ya.
Okay guys, so yéen dina ko déggandoor noonu lim doon wax mooy garab bii nii baax na trop si nit koo xam ne am na high blood nag li ko dee joxe mooy lekka yu neex yii nii saka lekka guddi yii nii di toppa neexaay lekka yi loolu daf laa ñëw jox high blood te tam su la joxee high blood nga nekk di mer always dafa tax na sa tension bi dafa always nekk di éeg instead of mu wàcca lii nag daf si baax trop because dafa tax pour mu normal gastrique bi tamit li ko dee joxe mooy kaani yii nii limon yii nii ak drink yu am gaz yii nii lekka yu am gaz because am na lekka yu nga xam ne dañ dee yaaxu sax ñu bugg a koo lekka still soo ko ibee sax di nga dégg a xet bi gaz bi moo nekk di éeg noonu soo ko lekkee loolu mooy tax ngay am gastrique lii tamit baax na trop pour gastrique because lii daf dee jël sa système bi yëpp raxasaat ko defaat ko pour mu normal nit yoo xam ne tamit dañ dee tux cigarette wala chicha bi tamit baax na trop pour gars yi because dafa jël sa dina bi yëpp raxasaat ko nit yoo xam ne tamit dañoo dox nii di am dina yu métti wala seen nooki bi sax diis ak gars yi garab bi tamit baax na trop pour gars yi because garab bi ni 7 façon yi juróom-ñaari façon yi feebar la dee faj si doomi aadama diabète bi tamit li ko dee joxe mooy sukur bi ak yenn façon yi lekka comme maalo sadam yi ak yooyu noonu ak xam ngeen loolu noonu tamit bi garab bi ni tamit baax na trop pour yooyu noonu ulcer tamit tab dee faj ulcer waaw ak nit yoo xam ne tamit dañ seere mooy feebar bi nga xam ne comme doo dee mun a dem wanag doo dee mun a use wanag bi bu baax wala nga am pile boo xam ne tamit doo mun a toog wala doo mun a taxaw always dafa nekk di métti pour nga dem wanag tamit daf laa sonal trop war na ñoo seetaat lu ñoo lekka bu baax because lekki farine yii nii dafa tax yow soo buggee dem wanag always ngay face difficulties ngay am jafe-jafe pour am dem si wanag bi waaye lii nii soo ko naanee am balaa 30 minutes di nga nekk di dem si wanag bi parce que dafa nekk di raxas sa système bi yëpp bii moo nekk am organ powder bi bii pour bëñ bu métti la bëñ bu métti lekki sukur yi nii daf ko dee def wala always ngay lekka yu ne di tëdda ak sa bëñ bi am raxasuloo sa bëñ bi loolu yëpp daf dee joxe bëñ bu métti nag soo ko amee jarut ngay buddi sa bëñ bi jarut ngay dem ñu génne la sa bëñ bi wala ñu fatal la sa bëñ bi mun ngaa ñëw jëna lii nii fii nii ñu jox la ko because bii nii tamit 100% natural la comme ni ma leen ko waxee fii yëpp natural la amul dara loo xam ne daf fi am chemical bii ay drop la pour nit yoo xam ne seen gis-gis du dee leer wala nit yoo xam ne seen gis daf dee comme xam nga léegi punda bi comme nuñ nekk di defaree yoon bi always saka weeri moto yi suñ wàccee nii moto yi suñoo daw nu ñoo defaree nii yoon bi dafa tax comme sa bët bi muy am punda always wala nit yoo xam ne duñ di seen gis-gis du dee leer garab bi baax na trop pour gars yi free treatment la si clinique bi fii waaye soo bëggee ñëw pour yóbbaale garab bi nii sa kër pour jënd ko $300 rek la ñu ngi am ay livre tamit boo xam ne pour nit ci gumbo la loolu duñ ko dee def si sa biir bët bi waaye dañ ko dee teg si sa kaw bët bi ñu stamp ko foofu noonu ñu siil ko foofu noonu yow soo demee within 14 hours dinañ la ko génneel ba pare soo ñëwee yow si sa boppa di nga gis changes si garab bi parce que garab bi comme ni ma leen ko waxee yëpp xob la amul dara loo xam ne dafa am chemical bii moo nekk pour nit yoo xam ne dañ dee am métit soo amee métit fépp foo xam ne mu ngi laa métit comme ni ma leen ko waxee docteur bi si boppam métit la day mun a génne si yarami doomi aadama moom métit rek la jànga waaye tamit daf la day jox garab bii nii pour mu faj la bu baax garab bii nii baax na trop because saa yoo ku fi ñëw rek dañ la dee defal garab bii nii daf dee am 14 hours suñ la ko génneelu tey si ëllëg si su amee 14 hours rek soo ñëwee dinañ la ko génneel yow si sa bopp di nga sentir ne digga fu ma doon métti démba ak tey nekkul benn ñu ngi am bii nii tamit pour métit la sa yaram su la nekkee di métti nii mun nga koo jël rek teg ko foofu noonu jarul nga koo riitiraata si sa yaram bi sax bii nii tamit baax na trop pour métit bii tam 100% natural la amul benn chemical ñu ngi am hair spray tamit boo xam ne mun nga koo def si sa yaram bi mun nga koo def si sa karaw bi karaw boo xam ne comme danga dee am crasse wala nit yi dañ dee am góom-góom si seen boppa yi wala xale yoo xam ne dañ dee am góom-góom soo ko fa defee within 2 days docteur bi daf la dee def 5 days waaye ñu koy use si seen boppa ñu yéene ñoom 2 days rek lañ ko use métti góom bi yëpp génn na si boppi xale bi ba pare tamit ñoo xam ne tamit nawet nii dañ dee always nekk di gis góom-góom yi nii si sa yaram bi wala nga lekka li nga xam ne waruloo koo lekka wala nga laal loo xam ne waruloo koo laal sa yaram bi di génnee ay góom-góom hair spray bi soo ko fa defee rek su soobee yàlla within 2 days di nga gis ne yëpp dina wow yëpp dina dañ te du mus a ñëwaat parce que 100% natural la comme ni ma leen ko waxee amul benn chemical.
dégg ngeen Fatou lu mu doon wax lu mu doon explain noonu so su ñëwee si seeti médecine bi docteur bi like soo ñëwee ku bugg a médecine bi rek ngeen ñëw si docteur bi ngeen jënd médecine si because suñ garab yi dañ baax garab yi they are médecine loo xam ne amul benn chemical it doesn't have any chemical it doesn't have any side effect te also am nañ reviews about this medicine we have some reviews about this medicine am nañ successful stories yoo xam ne patient yi dañ dee ñëw jël treatment fii suñ jëlee treatment dañ dee dellu si waat ñu ñëw gërëm docteur bi i kana ye docteur tank ye docteur jayi dol kana la fe ko kumbo because fenteng fo docteur ye jara nyameng imita yayi wala imang jara rosudo imita yayi wala imang kende ya soto andi ko di jamal la jomi yalla ko abela pain fenko dato abela dimo fenkela like itata lopitan jamal lato itata pharmacie jamal lato e operation jamal la ke ba han woy la dimol mante balu bala dimol be balu bala so minawol fana be explain na le so maybe na fatu fu ate fana story do kalamuta mi yalla ko patient na ta nyala jang fula dini ngolam abkati yamunu according to akema ya fa nyamen so aba fala ni suwa ko wala ni dapare na fa ne manika kan wala so fatu explain al ko tamit.
ok so dafa amoon benn time maa ngi just door liggéey bi am na benn góor bu ànd ak jabaram góor bi bu mu ñëwee salaamaaleykum la wax waaye jigéen bi bu mu ñëwee moom ekkati loxo la def ma ne gaynde xanaa lan moo xew ñu ne ma ne dafa daanu feebar bi mu daanoo feebar ba léegi du dee wax ba pare pour mu lekka tamit problème la ndox rek la dee naan te loolu tamit du dee gaaw jigéen bi xale bu jigéen bi moom dafa sëy amut 4 months sax mu daanu feebar si la ko feebar bi attaque bés boobu noonu jëkkëram la àndaloon ak yaayam biñ ñëwee jëkkër bi mu ne man moom dama dégga yi fii docteur bii nii waaye óoluwuma ko sax dama ñëw rek pour seet ndax dina ma mun a jàppale si la ko réceptionniste bi wax ne bul woori am ñëw nga dalal ak jaama ñëw nga fi nga war a ñëw parce que docteur bi su ko ñaanalee rek dina wax su sobee yàlla ah góor bi mu ne mi xoolaa fi de mi ari rek fii ndaaru gool mu ne man óoluwuma de dama ñëw rek pour seet ndax dina ma mun a fajal suma jabar am digga parce que dem nañ Guinée Bissau dem nañ ko nag Guinée Conakry suñu dëkka waaye dara xewut foofu noonu si la docteur bi ñëw mu laajte lan moo jot kii nii biñ ko waxee rek mu ñaanal ko si la jànq bi wax foofu noonu góor bi sax dafa tiit man mi suma boppa dama tiit fi mu nekk noonu ñëpp fi ñu nekkoon noonu ñëpp a tiitoon dañ ko ñaanal rek mu door di wax xam nga rek feebari seytaane la woon ndikete dañ ko ñaanal rek mu door di wax te fekka ak ñun xamuñ toon ne sax loolu yëpp dina xam si bu mu demee am loolu noonu bu mu xewee si élection bi mu ñëwee lañ ko jox garab bi góor bi dafa am gërëm docteur bi ñaanal ko ba kontaan bi ay gars yi dañ kontaan ba dañ doon jooy because gëmuñ toon ne comme suñ fi ñëwee loolu dina doon xew moo tax comme ni ma leen ko nekk di waxee yéen soo leen déggee docteur Bukhari ngeen bugg a xam dégg ndax mu ngee faj na nekku di faj kaay leen Sénégal bi opposite Ecobank ngeen gisal seen boppa yéen soo leen ñëwul sax waaye ngeen gis everyday parce que nit yaa ngeen ñëw pour faju
so albela wo moy fatuwa min fokandu walam kabrate do postat time minna afongo nyala aba siding fulake natanang anala musundingo ana bama i musa bobe natanang bo kabri dunta bama e kondon droke ke ma fani kondon droke bari muso nying waya bulula wave because ika boka diamu according to akema ya fa nyameng ana bama ya fa nyame ika boka diamu anda kita fatu nyala le kabri natanang so bari kabri ka boka diamu yara iko ameta sasari ne ngamira almost for 2 years bang I don't know 14 months something like that aba sasari so bar kabren sasa nyama abuka le jina sasa nyinam jina sasa la yama kabra yama musundi ngo nyinda mutata abuka diamu no anu fanang iko domuro keta kuti miyano ka ko kolya bulo kono ni ma forcer hani ya forcer sometimes abuka son ko domuro ke so comme kabri docteur nyin nata docteur futatala iko kabri kay ndingo iki futata fongo ako atamalla comme docteur nyimba jarana tar rek pour kala chance try because sasa lam ni mo sasa ta ni ba nyinen dirola ibuka give up ikatra nyinen dirola fa janding ala be la abela na tolti mala wala be la hajul jaral so kenying wala yatina anata nang atamal an akabira binanang amon show kana nata nan doctor nyimba ala muso jaralale but anata rek pour ay chance try so bar kabra futana nang aya fani fula ko la man fula ko moy fatu bi jela kabra ba fakan waya translate nim fula ko la ko atamang jiko soto comme nyin doctor ba jaralale bari wala may min fani fula ko kama anata rek bara man jiko soto so wanya malam na receptionist ni min katara duma je Serif Njay momo kana ni balon nale wakay ko ni abota ala bala ni ala sonta ni docteur ya ma ni ala sonta ikamin ni ba soto lale wala mi ka jarro ni min ni iba soto lale ken dingo ni fane yo fay ken akema nata respona kay ndel de wala na toti pour docteur ya jara kay bismillah basirin ka docteur batu so kabirin ile wato site dunta docteur kan docteur ya karango start musundinga la faka balang bari anata song anata diamuta afanan ko Allahu akbar so kabira diamuta like mini baby je ibe sokta kema fongo jahalta labango atita le fama laba min fala like it's unbelievable comme ila muso be dala sanji jol sanji safo sa almost sanji fula wala sanji kilin nim feng abuka diamu alko ko be tra abuka diamu lunkine ngal nata moya rek o diamuta nyame rek adiamuta so bari wo fanan te docteur nyim fanan kata mulati kon na fala nyame ko manto akata multi mi yalla ko ay londo la soto ala nyin jararo karula ay londo la soto mi yalla ko ayata mo mo la bulu anu ala ta ko la fana ala la so londo nyina so comme ay londo la fana use pour ka sungute ngo nyin dema sungute ngo nyin nata diamu ko bra ko Allahu akbar mini baby je wol be sokta fatu min fongo do ko start wode so kono a fongo jahal telephone la bongo amede no kabrin tanata nang because most of the time to kana nan do ko la juna kabrin nata nang akonyo ko je akonyo barinde kuja jang akonyo we miran di bakaran kay mina woti akonyo te camera comme ni ko docteur nying aka healing kala within 5 minutes like sometimes nka doubt le mo ka akonyo bari bi mfo nyala sediata la bongo fake kalinya ka manjire kalinya because te docteur nyin lonne comme mobe amanke mobe la like amanke ni momo nata nang ase jarano bari aba mini jarano 99% no be akay be la jara andung akay nyala le because nta kata sirin doctor office ko na ngai so amanjire ye kalinya wala because ni te fem fa nyamba la le kadu ima multi mi yalla ko fanan aka to nyala fo so akonyo ko like mbasiri ne like nyi musundi nga kabra ka dunang adingo buka diam like ana muso la kema nata nyora kema fanan ko ala muso buka diam akonya bar kabin docteur ya mata sunguti ngo nyin ko Allahu akbar so bari mbiye nta fo lundo inata nan kabi appointment no dila for the following day lambang for malam follow I think the following day kabi appointment no dila ndefa ba seeding na receptionist fintira nan ama sunguti ngo nyin batandi kan kadiama pour ay diam aba fa Allahu akbar bari ndefa mo nyala sunguti ngo nyin ka diamuta ako akana fay Allahu akbar because na ya fa kam do koy dimbala ka bala fentem fu jina la sasa nyin banana ko jino ba diam ka balo ko no wotamo aba aggressive ring aba fatiya nga ko momo ya fay ani ba kelal so waya ta sunguti ngo diam ta docteur ya hin ba ka bra ta docteur office ko no ko tenga akam tale so inata min fana complain wala abuka domoroke ika abuka domoroke o katam fongo nyala docteur duata ay ko tenke ye mburo sanga ye jus sanga aya be do mawlo dula do fa banda tak mbaloring docteur ko nyoko ika nyimi jetanting ako nyoko nyimman kala na foloti nkay hatu nyala kay because fatu fongo ya fanyana nu ako nyaka bra kana na first day ada abuka fem fono abuka diam ako nyaba tabina jakarto nyola ako nyaka birina mata nyola like adiamuta ako nyabi fanang ya jele abama ya na fina mina ako abuka domoroke abuka song kurna na mako yo fanana ako nya jandi ka dunna jang like abama do murul min sangay amon son ka fende ko nya barka binna mo sita nyola ko tenke afla do murul be do mon kay ha ngay to nyalam te fonay poto jaba ma bulle because kabrin ka dunna fatu ko am do murul ka fana bar bi ka ban dunte ya afla do murul kay o nyamal docteur na rafa nyoko nyimi molti mom yalla ko jino la bala andala jino tata la mi yalla ko ay sanji wuli fula la soto kata sanji wuli sabakan ako nyala jino yo sanji la soto ako nye wole yatina comme ay ka kolya ko soto diamoni domoro karol ako nye bani alla sonta mba jarala le andum wala kata aya jarale sunkuti ngo hena ba diamu kan anu nga hena ka domoro ke normally so ku jamal kata nyala min yalla ko wol different wala fang ku jamal kata min yalla ko e borol use yalla nyi ndongo docteur duwala kay ayala jaralo kay comme doctor is an expert in healing pain and also I 20 years experience la both in prayers so ayalo said la muta ay treatment o di sukutende wala bandi nata borol fana na karola mimbu ko nyim boro ñi na reviews jamal la soto mimbu ko am kul ko na dimo min yalla ko na fe jamal la fekeje because fatu fanan kabra do ko start ala do ko minti wala kata round abadi ngol ya kata round ala molia kata round ala molia like mini buko ala family mol aning sate kono mini yalla ko imo subscribe ni wala la do ko di ka subscribe bari atata ala badin dolia mini yalla ko ngamira fongo mama la wati anata ay ning fen ko use ay ning lifo ni use kabra lif ni use anata ay effectiveness o jele amede no faya pa fatuye so mba fatu fana bala je explain ni bari na la bani angale kan
okay guys so amoon na time loolu mooy jigéen bi am incident boobu noonu bu mu xewee suma kanam bu ma gisee loolu noonu si laa dem ma wax ko suma ñoom yaay wax ko suma ñoom maam suma anti yi si biir kër bi wax ko suma mbokk yu bari ma ne gaynde parce que man suma liggéey bi woon moo nekkoon pour di round di subscribe al nit ñi si laa wax gaynde kay ma subscribe leen pour ngeen dem gisante ak docteur bi yéen ñi nga xam ne always na ngeen ne suma ndiga yaa ngi métti suma tànka yaa ngi métti suma fi ngi métti suma fale mu ngi métti so si laa ko wax suma benn maam moom mu gaaw ñëw fanaan suñu kër den si next day bi mu dem si docteur bi pour gisante ak docteur bi mu ñëwee docteur bi tayal na ko 32 bu mu ko tayalee 32 mu àgga si kër bi mu ne ma garab bi moom tànga de ma ne ko gis na ni mu tàngee noonu li nga nekk di yéeg noonu parce que amul chemical amul benn chemical yëpp natural la ma ne ko ne lii mu ngi la nekk di faj mu ne ma man moom kañ lu ma nekk di fii right now tàngaay bii nii comme suñu génnee lii nii ba ma fiilaat suma boppa digga du ma ko gëm sax mu ne ma ne feebar bi neexaay bi si yow sax yow lañ ko tuddee ma ne ko ne baax na amul benn problème su ma wéree so si la ñëw kii bu mu ko tayalee lii mu dellu si kër bi mu doon dox sax parce que bi mu doon ñëw fii nii man ak taxi driver bi bachka lañ ko jëlal sax man ak kooku noonu ñun ñoo ko doon jàppale pour ekkati ko ak dugal ko si biir moto bi ñu wàccee ko si biir clinique bi pour mu toog xaarante ak lii bi waaye dañ ko fa tayaat rek mu àgga kër moom moo doon demal boppam ma ne ko ne xaaral ma di jàppale balaa ngaa daanu mu ne ma man daanu fooguma man dinaa daanuwaat parce que man maa ngi lu ma nekk di sentir suma yaram bi li ma nekk di yëg suma yaram bi ma nekk ko xam sañ docteur bii nii foog naa baax na trop si la moom tamit door di call suñu yeneen mbokk yi nga xam ne man xamantewu maa gars yi sax mu ne gars yi ne kaay leen si docteur bii nii parce que mu ngeen faj bu baax bi mu ñëwee docteur bi mu ko génneel mu ne fu mu nekk nii Fatou Gueye man moom wér naa damaa dem ñibbi ma ne ko fanaanal xamuloo dara su la méttitee waat ñu demaat foofu noonu mu ne ma ne déedéet dara duma métti waat si soobee yàlla parce que lii fu ñu ko tey yëpp wér na because moom luñ ko tayal sa moo bari si dinaam bi si gannaawam bi tànkaam yi mbagam yi loxoom bi yëpp lañ ko tayaloon foofu noonu waaye fi mu nekk nii moom si boppam su ma dee ñëw liggéey always daf ma dee wax ne waxal ma docteur bi ne maa ngi ko nuyu ziar naa ko bu baax a baax a baax suñ docteur bi nuyul ma ko dama ne ko waaw baax na amul benn problème su ma benn tante tamit mu ngi foofu noonu moom daf di always nekk di am moom dafa am jabet ba pare dinaam banque dinaam daf ko daan sonal bu baax waaye bi mu ñëwee ba gisante ak docteur bi buñ ko tayalee xob bii nii moom bosam bariwutoon parce que dinaam bi rek la mu ñëw ñu génneel ko loolu noonu ñu jëndal garab bi moom si boppam moo ma oo mu ne ma ne man noonu dem liggéey mu ne ma ne kaay ma wax la dara bi ma ñëwee mu ne ma ne garab bi baax na trop de ma ne ko ne ban garab la noonu si la ma woon am garab bi box bu mag bi bii la ma woon mu ne ma ne docteur bi bii la ma jox ba pare mu ngi maa njëriñ trop mu ne ma because fan yëpp man du ma dee mën a dem jaay suma dina bi daf ma dee always nekk di sonal waaye fu mu nekk nii nekkatuma di feel benn métit si suma dina bi ma ne ko yéen soo leen waxee loolu kon man tamit loolu dina ma nekk trop parce que man maa ngi always nekk di wóor di wax nit ñi pour ñu subscribe so lii nii yéen soo leen ma ko waxee man tam dama koo dem wax gaynde suma mbokkee si seen boppa ñu ngee faju te man su ñëwee fii nii nekkul ne dañ dee joxe bribery or something ñoom si seen boppa li ñu war a jënal ñoo koo jënal seen boppa ñoom ñoo nekk di tayal ñooy fayal seen boppa treatment bi ñu jënd garab bi kenn fayut leen pour ñu wax ne garab bi mu ngi leen a njëriñ waaye dañ ma dee oo pour wax ma jërëjëf ñu maa ñaanal di ñaanal docteur bi di ñaanal liggéeykat yi yëpp so loolu alhamdulilahi rabbil alamin la man loolu noonu rek daf dee seddal suma xol.
So Fatou ba mi explain kan walam ko ɓe watana ɗo ko nun walam kata ka round mulia anin ka fa baɗigol e ka round because naba round na ata baɗigol bon lanoje abola follow inform la about docteur ñina ko wala jannabita mu ko ten dolia so kabri o incident o kata nyalla awo nyamalam atata aya fala mamaye min kata mamati kabri aya faye pour kana docteur Bukhari ya pour min kata nyala aya wolof explain wole akoy ko alfale naje aliya tribal fana katu chokodi mi complain la anin baladi mu so alsina na docteur ya aliya try aliya jibe fo ala boro work la but amama bije mi yalno ko right now amantare balaje but aya make sure like kanela galia pour kana docteur nyinje so kabra ta loptano nyinto ako kabri amo nyim fon kana nan ata fon kunningo anin ila driver mi yana fenan itala kata mudi mi yalno ko ya mamadou ndi moto kono an kabi futa loptano fana itala kata mudi mi yalno ko ya jindi la ya ma koy falu to loptano kono because walungo fon am ko tamanu anala chokole because fentem fadimo bar kabri afutata e pain point sol kala konna fale nyame nyinni kake ikele pain point sol check ni a check na boro laji so kabri yake yalla comme meri ndingol itala dula be la ke dimi so kabri yake tatal fotati something points e min soto yaka sisor bala yaka singol bala yaka ko bala yaka wutol bala anin dula ko ten dol mi alon ko dimol be je yake be bala bari kabri yaka bala ako ay min follow fay wolom ko nyimboro kandital boro nyi kandida kando ko dunkan baratana ta min fay ko wolom boro nyi na kando ni koy bo tala pour ye boro nyi bonni akayta jata kendi ya soto la boro nyi na kando nyi wala katina ika jata kendi ya soto so abule je foy tay mo min foy wolom 14 hours di after isina bonni baraka bi jele mero nyi ka ba sela kabirin ay ina anata murun docteur ya ay place ta nyimbe bondi like mero nyi fon kabra ka murun docteur ya abotama kan ne moma ma koy afon tata fon loptano do anata na seta fon es wokon kabra ay boro nyi bondi ako fatu touré ko ndebo damen sila wo kay coko dimi bukan dimi dula bukan dimi lafta ka sele dingo min kata fatuti akay ko kana sey folo ibatu ya jibe fo dula be dimi lale pour ni dula e dimi sey murundi docteur ko te akay ko wallahi madamen ndala long bambalo fil ka nyamen hani dimi killing amantara mbalo kono na dimo be la bota mero ni sey dol nyam bari every time akatura fala ko ni tata yere docteur kontonya ni tata yela mur kontonya do kula bi je yebe kontonya ye jayi o fanan kata te fanay kontan dati because fenna mi yalno ko atawa yayi kane pour ka fo mole ko docteur ka mol jara so ni atara mo soto min findita boko ni wo kay aba yayi kana pour docteur ka mo jara ba docteur man tara mo jara kan o ba kala te malu walti bari anata mo soto mi yalno ko abota fo la family kono andum amake kom ya jo mari jolo wole fe ngo mari fo la ko ro findini ay borol nyin sang so anata ke moti min fane yalno ko every day akatula fala ko ni tare docteur kontonye so fana kata ta fane kontan ku dat so ni mboto woto nana fani angale kan fana na pour min yalno ko imam mani ka kan mi imam sura kan mi sa explain in english fana na. So what we are saying is that like the successful stories we had towards this medicine, the first one we explained was a little girl. She is not even a little girl. who came with her husband and also the mom. They came, according to the husband and the mom, the girl cannot talk for almost 2 years. I don't know, 2 years or less than 2 years. She cannot talk, neither to eat or drink. Like she have difficulties in eating and so on. She have a she was possessed with all with this gene sickness. So that's lead to her dumbness and also like lack of eating. So the day they were coming, like the husband was like we came here, but I'm not sure that the doctor will treat this girl because I have been to so many places. I have also I have already crossed the border to go up to Guinea to find medication for this girl to, or to even find a therapy for her to talk, but nothing worked for her. Like it seems like it's fresh from the beginning. Like all the medication I have been giving to her, all the treatment we have done for her, like nothing works for her. So I just came here to try chance, but I'm not sure that the doctor will heal my wife. So after when the husband said that, then our receptionist told him that like by the grace of God, if I'm not talking behind God, like our doctor will heal your wife, and I'm 100% sure that he will heal her. So the man said, okay, that's what we are looking for. If you get the assist the when that's what we are looking for to for my wife to be healed. So if the doctor is able to heal my wife, I will be ever grateful to the doctor. So when the doctor came, like when they entered at first, like they everybody greet except the girl, because she couldn't talk. She was dumb at that time, like almost for 2 years. She was dumb almost for 2 years. So when the doctor came and then the doctor attended to her, the girl was able to talk. Like she was reciting Allahu Akbar, because normally that's how we do our treatment. The patient, him or herself, will recite the word, the Quran, Allahu Akbar, Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, then Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. So the doctor also was reciting, as I told you before, like the doctor is someone who was gifted with spiritual powers from his forefathers. So that's what he used to treat the girl, and the words of Allah, that is Allahu Akbar. So when the girl recited Allahu Akbar, everybody got shocked. Everybody was surprised, because even the husband was so shocked that like the girl cannot talk for 2 years. So the girl cannot talk for 2 years. They have tried all they could, but the girl was not able to talk. So when the girl said Allah Akbar, everybody was shocked, including the husband, including everybody, including Fatu herself, because that was the first time she started working with us. So she was very shocked that she have to tell me that I saw something at the clinic that surprised me a lot. Like the girl was when the girl entered, like the husband said she cannot talk. Like they went to Guinea and so on. Like they try all they could, but the girl was unable to talk. So I was very shocked. Like how comes the doctor healed the girl? Like the doctor was talking after the treatment and so on. Then I told her that, like, sometimes when we say the doctor heals within 5 minutes, many people have doubts about the treatment and so on. But it's something which is very true. So I believe whatever you said, like the girl talk in front of you and so on. So after that, like they come on the next day, that's the appointment day. They came, and the mother complained that like still now she couldn't able to eat. Like even they force her, she will not accept anything to eat or to drink. And also when they bring her to the doctor, like when the doctor decide again, the girl was able to eat and she was able to drink. So after when they left, like when they are sitting at when they left the doctor's office, the doctor called me on board to tell me that like this is not the first time this girl was coming here. The first time she came, she couldn't talk. Like she couldn't even respond to anyone. She will hear what you are saying, but she will not respond. But when I start the treatment, she start talking, and today came because she couldn't eat and so on. So I told the doctor that yes, I had the story because Fatu already told me. Like I was even surprised that you do the treatment of those who are possessed too. Like it's a big surprise to me, and she was able to talk, and the mother was happy and so on. So that is another thing which we witness at the clinic. Like we witness, both of us we witness, and some of our patients already witness it, like because she met some of our patients in the clinic while she was coming. So if they are watching me, they will know what I'm saying, like is the truth and so on. So another story we had about the medicine, about the girl. That one is a normal treatment, is a normal healing process, like the doctor reside and then he treat the girl through his spiritual powers and so on. But we have another successful stories based on this one. So I will explain my part and then I will leave her to explain her part in English. So the successful story I had about this medicine, there was a woman who came all the way from Europe. She came from Sweden, and then when she came for holiday in Gambia, and she came across our advert on Facebook, I don't know, on YouTube. Then that's how she located our clinic, and then she came. When she came at first, I didn't know her, she didn't know me, because but we are from the same place, like we are from the same area, but we didn't know each other. So when we met at the clinic, like she was like, where are you from? Because I'm a Gambian and our doctor is a Pakistan. So she is a Gambian too, and she is my tribe. She is a Mandinka. She was speaking in Mandinka. She was speaking to me in Mandinka, like, where are you from? Who are your parents? Then I told her that I'm from Bakau, and then she said, wow, I'm also from there. Then who are your parents? Because she's an elderly person, but she is a Europe based, like she was based in Sweden. So after telling my parents and so on, coincidentally she knows them, she knows my family very well, and she was like, okay, now I have a family at this clinic. Now I want you to be sure, I want you to tell me the truth about this medicine, because I don't want to apply anything that will not do me good. So I want you to explain everything about the medicine and what he does and so on. So I was like, auntie, I didn't even call her by name because she's old enough to be my mom. So I used to call her auntie. I told her that, auntie, I'm 100% sure that if you apply this medicine, your pains will be gone. Then I even started questioning her, like, what's your pain and how long? For how long is this pain with you? How many years of this pain? Like, how many years are you experiencing this pain and so on? She was like, it was 10 years ago, I don't know, 15 years ago. She fell down on a stairs in Sweden while she was walking, and then like she encountered this waist pain, and since then the waist pain was with her, the pain didn't go. And so I was like, have you been on any medication, or have you even gone under any scanning and so on to check whether the waist was broken and so on? She was like, yes, I have been on the medication, I have gone to scan many times, several times, and even operations, but the pain used to come seasonally. That's it's half a season. Like when the season came, the waist pain used to hurt very much, and the pain used to start from the waist up to the toes, like everywhere used to be pain. And now she said the pain used to go up to the shoulders, to the back, and so on. So it's very, very painful for her. And she even told me that before coming, she was taking medication. They gave her one medicine that she's supposed to use every 6 hours, so that every 6 hours when she missed the medicine, like the pain used to start, like she used to feel pain again until she drank the medicine. Then after 6 hours the pain will be relieved, and then from that 6 hours the pain will start again if she did not take the medicine. So she said that is something which like she have many thoughts about the medicine. Drinking medicine for 6 hours, she have a difficult time thinking about that, like it may affect or it may cause damage in her, because these chemical medicines, they have chemical, and also they have a percentage of drug. So it's not good it's not good for the liver, and it's not good for the kidney, it's not good for some parts of your body. So that's the doubt she had. And also that's the reason when she had that we are healing, like we are doing a herbal thing, she decided to come and visit our clinic, so that she can try the leaf on the pain, and then we see how it goes. So then I told her that okay, if that is the problem, like you have gone on the medication, you have done many operation, and still the pain is with you, I'm 100% sure that I told her that I'm 100% sure that when you apply this leaf, all your pains will be gone. So I don't know for how long you'll be doing this treatment, but I'm sure that if you continue taking the treatment, your pains will be done. So the first days he came, like we checked the main points, and then we have like 50. I think the first we have like 40 something, I don't know, 40, 48, 47 or 46. Then she complained about the shoulder, then we have 50 points. So she was like, no problem, you can do anything you want, like any point I'm able to pay, because I have already spent much on this pain, and still the pain is with me. So $5,000 is nothing, it's not a big deal to heal my pain. You can attach when if I get relief from the pain, like I'll be very grateful. Then we apply the medicine on her, the 50 points. The medicine was like, it was very, very hot. She started complaining like the medicine is very, very hot and so on. But I told her to just be patient with the medicine because it have to stay for 14 hours. So within the 20 minutes, like the heat started and everything was starting paining and so on. Then she told me that it's paining, but I'm relieving. The pain it's going because the heat is much because he already put 50 points. So the next day that we gave her appointment to come back to the clinic, like maybe we normally give appointment like if you remove the plasters, if you remove the medicine from your body, like we used to plaster it there. If you remove the plasters, if you are feeling pain, you have to come back to the clinic again so that we can see where it's paining and give you another treatment. But she did not reply, she did not respond, like she did not come back on the appointment day because she was completely healed. Then after some months, she called me before she left to her destination because she came for holiday. She was like, my daughter Fatu, how are you doing? I told her, then I respond, I'm good, and you? She said, I'm good, also good. Then I asked her, the first question I asked, we did not show you, we did not see you on the appointment day. What's the problem? Like, you did not show up. She was like, the doctor told me that if I get relief, there's no need for me to come. But if I'm feeling pain, let me come to the clinic and so on. Then she was like, I was recovered, like I was not feeling any pain. That's why I didn't make it to your clinic, but I will come there because I want the doctor to pray for me, to make some duas for me. Like I was like, did all the pains fade away? Like I was asking whether all the pains were gone at the same time and so on. She was like, yes, I'm very relieved. Like I'm very grateful. Like right now, I'm happy. Like I'm feeling much better than before. Like all the pains were gone. So that's why I didn't make it to your clinic back, but I will come back. And she was eventually here. When she came, she eventually told the doctor that like all the pain, everything was okay, nothing was paining, and it was 1 month already. Like the pain did not come back, like everything was calm, everything was cool. She was not feeling any pain. All she need from the doctor was prayers. Like she was going back, she is going back to her destination. So all she needs from the doctor is prayers, because normally the doctor used to pray for people for your well-being and for your safety, yeah? And also she used to pray for everyone. Anyone, if you wish, you can come to our clinic and the doctor pray for you. And the woman was very, very happy till up to date. Like the woman used to call me to tell me that like if you need anything, you can let me know. I want to do because you do me something good, and so on. So we are also grateful about that. So I will also let Fatu to explain in English about her grandmother's incident, about the medicine she took and so on, and about the neighbors she had who came for the syrup too. Like she had a neighbor who also came for the syrup. So she have the review, she will explain everything, and then after I will continue from her.
Okay, so like guys, I was part of the marketing department. I was going around to tell people to be subscribing, and each subscription is free consultation. Whenever you subscribe, it was free consultation. But now we've stopped that. Now I'm here on the media with you guys to tell you guys successful stories about this employee leave. So this incident happened not long ago. It was last month when I was doing the subscription. The lady, the Fuller lady's incident made me when the thing happened in front of me. So I witnessed it and I believed it. I went to my grandmom. I told her that I think you also should subscribe and come to the doctor, because you're always complaining about joint pains. You are always complaining about pains. You can't go, you can't get up for yourself. You can't stand up. You can't move for yourself unless people help you. So she said, okay, then I will come. Then that day she came to my house and spent the night there so that she will be able to meet the doctor early in the morning. When she came, I gave her a seat to sit on. But we were helping her to sit because I am the driver. We helped her to put her in the car. But when she came, she waited for the doctor, and then when the doctor saw her, she explained her problems to the doctor. She told the doctor everything, like everywhere that she felt pain. Then the doctor used this these things, this leaf, sorry, to put on the pain points. And I think he put 32 pain points here there. So when we get home, she said, this medicine is hot. I tell her that do not remove it. Let it sit there for 14 hours so that you will you will feel inside you that you are healing. Then she said, okay, no problem. She said that okay, no problem. I would do as you said. Then the next day we came here in the clinic. Then the doctor removed those pain points, those the leaf he put on the skin. Then he removed it, and then she started saying, I've already felt relief. Now I don't think anywhere is paining me. I told her then, after giving you the medicine, do not go home yet. Sit at my place so that we will know if there is another place that will be paining you. She said, I don't think anywhere will be paining me as of now, because I've already felt relief, and which was a success because she's now happy. She was praying for the doctor, she was praying for me, she was praying for all the workers, like, thank you so much, you and your doctor, you guys have helped me a lot. I was not getting up for myself, I was not moving for myself. I'm always moving with the help of people, you understand, because whenever she wants to stand up, we count up to 3 because she's my grandmom, so that we have that joking relationship. We have to count 1 2 3 to tell her, now you can stand up. Another thing, another one is my she was always complaining about chest pain, but when I told her about the doctor, she came here, and then she called me a day and then tell me, come here, I want to talk to you. I said, okay, what is it? She told me that the doctor is really doing good, because now I'm not even complaining about chest pain. Before I was going to the market every day, but these days my chest has been disturbing me. But since I went to your clinic to see your doctor, when he prayed for me and gave me the medicine, now I feel so relieved, which is another successful story. And I am so happy that even my people are telling me that they are being healed. So you guys, I urge you to come to the doctor to see, even if you don't believe him, but you can come and see the way he is treating people. And then, because we are treating people every day, people come here every day. Right now, some people are at the clinic, we are here upstairs.
And again, the other successful story we had is a boy who came to visit our clinic. The day he was coming, like, he was walking with 2 walking sticks and with the support of a man, of a friend, guys, sorry. When he entered, like, the boy was like, the friend was supporting her to get inside the clinic. And then when they sat, they went to the other room. When they sat, then our staff attended to him, and then they applied a leaf on the leg. Like, normally that's how we do it before you enter in the doctor's office. By then I was doing my TikTok, and I was doing TikTok, but I was seeing everything because it was around 4 to 5. You know, that time I used to like take only requests. I don't explain anything around 4. So I used to know any movement going around in the clinic. So I was sitting in the doctor's office, and the door was open, like the man was coming in with a friend and with a 2 walking stick. When they applied the medicine on him, like, he sat for some minutes, and then how to call it, and then eventually the doctor came out from the office, and then he met the boy sitting outside, and then he asked him, what's the problem? The boy told him that, like, he had a foot pain for almost 8 good months. He cannot walk or do anything for himself. So when the doctor treated him, like, the doctor started praying. I was inside doing my TikTok. I was hearing the doctor is telling him to say Allahu Akbar, say Allahu Akbar, recite after me, Allahu Akbar. And the doctor was reciting. Then the doctor asked him to stand up, and he stand up. He was like, doctor, I couldn't stand up for myself. But the doctor asked him to first try and stand up for yourself. Do not take anything to support yourself. Do not ask anyone to help you to stand up. Just stand up for yourself, and you start walking bit by bit. He was kind of like this, doctor, I cannot do this for myself because 8 good months I cannot walk without anybody's support. So he was like, the doctor was like, today you came to me, so by the grace of God, I'm gonna heal you by the power of God. Like, so stand up. We start the treatment again. So, like, when he stand up, he try and stand up, he start walking step by step, and the doctor is reciting. The doctor is also walking backward, and he was coming forward, the doctor, like, the doctor is reciting. When he go to a stage, he stand and he laughed. When he laughed, he got everybody's attention, like, even me. I have to post my TikTok to just look at the boy. Like, he caught my attention by laughing, and I was like, nobody questioned him, because all of those who all of the other patients are patient. They don't have the right to question him. They do have the right to question him when they see something that is wrong. But some people, minding their business is something which is also very good. So they did not ask him. Even the doctor himself did not ask him, why are you laughing? The doctor was just looking at him, reciting. And then I have to post my TikTok to ask the boy, why are you laughing? What's so funny? Like, what's funny? Why are you laughing? You are in pain and they are asking you to recite and then you start laughing. The boy was like, he first said his head like this. He told me in my language that, sister, ita ta understand la like na fena je man mang mi je ma ilamina, like she saw something which he was not expecting. Like, he saw something miraculous that have never happened in front of him. Like, he's surprised, like what is happening, like right now. He's surprised with the situation, like he's working for himself, and he's working without the support of walking stick or without the support of anyone. So I was like, so that's the reason why you are laughing? He said yes. I said, then can I have you here? I want to know more about your story, cause you are making me curious by said you saw something and you see something here that you haven't seen before, like it's a surprise, it's like a miracle, stuffs like that. So I was like, I also want to know, I want to know your story. Then he sat with me. I first asked him, I'm doing TikTok, will you mind, like if you don't mind, you can come and sit with me and share your story, and then you tell everybody what you saw here, like what the doctor has done for you and what the miraculous thing you have seen in our clinic. Then he was like, okay, no problem, I don't have any problem with that, cause for me, anything that will give me a healthy life, I'm in for. So because I have tried a lot, I have been to so many places, and then I didn't get healed. So he sat with me, and then my first question was like, for how long have you been experiencing this foot pain? He was like, for 8 good months. Like 8 good months, I couldn't walk, I couldn't do nothing unless people help me. Then my second question was, if I could remember, like, have you been under any medication, or have you been going under any treatment, or have you gone for scanning and so on? What were their response, like the doctors and so on, the doctors you have met before, and the medicine they have been giving you? He was like, I have gone to everywhere. Like, I have gone to private hospitals, I have gone to government hospitals, I have gone to private clinic and so on, I have gone to pharmacies, I have gone to scanning, x-ray, everything. But anytime I go for x-ray or anytime I go for scan, all they say is that, like, they didn't see anything. Like, their response are like, we didn't see anything inside it, we are not seeing anything like that we can say this is the cause of this foot pain, or this is the cause of this. But he told me that still, without even with that results, like, they didn't see anything. I have been taking medication, like I have been buying medication relief and so on, to relieve the pain and to heal the foot. But I have tried a lot, and I have already gave up on this thing. I have went to a stage that whereby I gave up on myself, because I have tried all I could, nothing was working for me. So I was like, okay, let me take you back a bit. You said you have been taking medication, so how do you feel whenever you take the medicine? Like, he said, if I take the medicine, like, I used to get relief a little bit, but within a day or after the day, like, I feel the pain back again, and the pain used to hurt more than it was before. Like, the pain, it's not going down, it's gradually hurting and hurting, like hitting. The pain was hurting so much, so that, like, he has to give up on the pain and so on. So I was like, okay, then how were you able to come to our clinic? How did you get to know our clinic and so on? How were you able to know the doctor is someone who is healing pain and so on? He said, yeah, my friend came to me, and he told me that, like, he saw something on the internet, like, he's a healing doctor. He used to heal pain within he used to heal pain within 5 minutes, and also he's having some medicine, some pain leaves and so on, which used to heal pain. So when he said her friend inform him about the doctor, then he was like, I'm not going anywhere, because I have already given up. I have used all the money I have spent a lot of money on this pain. I have gone to so many where he even told the boy that you can witness to that, you can attest to that, like, I have been to so many places and they are not seeing anything, like they couldn't heal the pain. Like, let me just sit like that until God knows, So let me just, maybe God is this is I know that I believe that it's God whom put this sickness on me, and I have the belief that He will be the one to heal me from this pain. So I'm not going anywhere. Like the friend insisted, no, we should just try, don't give up. Let's go and just give a try and see. When it didn't work, then we can leave everything to God. Then that's how they came to our clinic. And the time he was coming, I was doing my TikTok, but I was like I was peeping on them because I'm sitting at the door and the door was open. Like anyone who is coming in the clinic, I used to see the person. So they were coming in. Then I asked him like, the time you were entering, I saw you with a man, with another man. He said he is the friend who even asked him to come to our clinic. Then I told him that okay. Then he was assisting you to come in with the walking stick, because he was holding two walking stick like this, like two I don't know, is it crutches, something like that. That's how they used to say it, two crutches. She was holding, she was walking with it, and the help of the man. I told him that why can't you even with the help of the two crutches, you cannot even move, like you cannot even assist yourself to walk unless someone helped you. Like he was like, sister, during the past 8 months, like I couldn't do anything for myself. Like even I want to take something even closer to me, they have to help me, or they even have to give it to me. Like I cannot do anything. um so he said that like he is young and he didn't wish anyone to go into that such pain. And the same thing here, I didn't wish anyone to be in that situation. Like he is in his 20 to 30s, I guess. So he is very, very young, and the sickness is making him to, like, to get swollen face and so on, the swollen feet and so on. So the boy, that's the reason why he was surprised, and that's why he was laughing. Like it's a joyful laughing. Like you are overjoyed and then you laugh, like a tears of laughing. I can say it's a tears of laughing, it's a tears of joy. So my next question was, then when did you start coming to our clinic? Because today is the first day I show you on in this clinic. Like I don't know, sometimes I used to be upstairs doing my media thing, but around 4 I used to go down. So I told him that, I asked him that, like, today is the first day I saw you here. He said yes, today is my first day here, but alhamdulillah, I have seen something which I haven't seen 8 months back. Like I haven't seen 8 months back, because I have been going around. I have gone to so many places, like nothing was working. Even if I take medication, I couldn't able to work for myself on that day. Like, so this thing, it seems like a miracle, it works like a magic and so on. So I was like, okay. Many people used to have doubts when we said the doctor used to heal, and we have medicine that heal pain within 14 hours and so on. But I want you to tell the whole world that, like, if anybody is in your condition, let them come to our doctor. Like as you are sitting here beside me right now, and you are getting relief, like you are recovering from your pain, you are recovering from your 8 months pain. Like during the 8 months you cannot do nothing, but today you are here, you were able to work for yourself, and you were able to get up for yourself, and you were able to to take some few steps for yourself. So I asked him to tell the whole world and to advise each and everyone who have doubt in doctor's treatment and so on, to come to our clinic to get that treatment. Like the leaf, it works like a miracle. So if you even go to our page, you will see they will write there a miraculous doctor, the miraculous healing doctor. Like it's a miraculous healing doctor in general. Like he's a healer. He used to heal pain. He is an expert in healing pain, and he also boasts 20 years experience in healing. So it's something which is very, very true. Like we have so many reviews and so many things about this doctor and so on. So if anybody is interested, you can just come to our clinic for treatment. If you are interested in our medicine, you can also come to our clinic for treatment and so on. So I will let Fatou to explain in our local language in Wolof about the incident I just explained here.
Okay, so Fatmata li mu doon explain mooy dafa am benn jigéen bi ñëwoon.
góor
ok dafa amoon benn góor bu ñëwoon, góor bi xaritam baa ko wax ne maa ngi xam ñu ngi post yi fi benn docteur, naka la duñ dem seet yi fi docteur bi. Góor bi moom dafa waxoon ne déedéet sax, parce que moom dafa yaaga am métit, mu ngi am métit for like 8 months, nekkul di dox, waaye banta la day use pour doxee. mu nekkoon ne déedéet man du ma dem foofu noonu, parce que man fi mu nekk nii man moom dama soona dara du ma mun a faj. Góor bi mu nekkoon ne booy bul wax loolu noonu, nañ dem rek seet. So bu ñëwee fii nii xaritam baa ko jàppale parce que moom comme nu ma leen ko waxee banta la day use pour dox ñu defal ko lii foofu noonu si omam bi parce que lii lañ la dañ njëkk a defal foofu noonu balaa ngay gisante ak docteur bi balaa mu laa ñaanal soo buñ ko defaral lii docteur bi ñaanal ko ni mu ko nekk di ñaanalee noonu mu ne ko ne jógal nga dox mu ne ko ne déedéet docteur man du ma dee dox without suma banta bi de docteur bi mu ne ko ne tey nag si man nga ñëw dama bëgg nga xam ne si man nga ñëw ni maa defee ne ñaan bi jógal nga dox comme kuy ñëw nga féetoo ak man nga dox tuuti ñëw si man si la dox ñëw si boori docteur bi si la taxaw mu ree ñu ne ko ne yow lan nga nekk di ree Fatmata moo ko war loolu te fekk moom mun doon def tiktok am parce que docteur bi moom la teewut ko li nga ree ak nit ñi ñu fa toogoon patients yi xam nga rek nit ñi ak nuñ mun a toppatoowee seen soxla kenn waxut ko li nga ree waaye ñëpp gisoon nañ ko ñu ngee ree mun doon ree si la Fatmata post tiktok live am bi mu ne ko ne booy yow lan nga nekk di ree ma foog yow métit buñ doon ñëw fii nii métit nga amee woon mu ne ko ne soo gisee ma ree man dama xam li ma nekk di feel inside parce que man maa ngi yaaga am dox ak banta 8 months musuma taxawal suma boppa di doxal suma boppa soo tey su ma defee loolu noonu kontaan boobu noonu moo tax may ree Fatmata mu ne ko ne kon man xaw ma woon loolu su fekkee tamit mun ngaa ñëw because maa ngi def tiktok live nga ñëw wax ko foofu noonu tam pour nit ñi ñu xam